Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to add image to Visual Studio. So if you want to go ahead and try to add an image to your Visual Studio, then this is the right guide for you. So as you can see, we're currently in to the project that we're working on to our Visual Studio. To add in an image, what we need to do is we'll need to hover onto the project file in here, click onto it, and then to highlight that one, and then right click it again, and then just hover onto add. So we could see existing item in here. You have to click for that one. And once you're already in here, you'll just need to go ahead and find in the folder where you have stored your image. So as you can see, there are no photos that has been showing since we have a different file format in here. So what we need to do is we're going to click onto this and we're going to click onto all files in here to view all the files, including the images, so that we could select one. Now, as you can see, there are photos already showing. We'll just have to click onto the photo that we want to add and then click onto add to add in the photo onto your project. And that's just basically it onto adding image to Visual Studio. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you to our next video.